If you carefully watch a drone flying in the sky, you'll notice something strange. Almost every drone has four propellers. Exactly four. Not three, not five, not even one big propeller like a helicopter. But why? Is it just design? Or is there a scientific secret behind it that allows this small machine to hover perfectly in midair? And here's the most important question. What would happen if one propeller suddenly stopped working while the drone is flying? Would it instantly fall out of the sky? Today, we're going to uncover the hidden truth behind drone engineering. And after this, you'll never look at a drone the same way again. First, imagine a helicopter. A helicopter has one large main rotor on top that spins very fast and pushes air downward. This creates lift and allows the helicopter to rise. But there's a problem. According to Newton's third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. That means when the rotor spins in one direction, the helicopter's body naturally wants to spin in the opposite direction. To solve this, helicopters use a small tail rotor at the back. This tail rotor prevents the body from spinning and keeps the helicopter stable. Now look at a drone. It doesn't have a tail. It doesn't have a tail rotor. So why doesn't it spin uncontrollably? How does it stay perfectly still in the air? This is where the real magic begins. A drone's four propellers don't all spin in the same direction. Two of them spin clockwise, and the other two spin counterclockwise. As a result, the rotational forces cancel each other out. One pair tries to spin the drone one way, while the other pair cancels that motion. The result? Perfect balance. The drone stays stable. It doesn't spin, it hovers effortlessly in the air. But that's not all. Now you might wonder, how does a drone move forward? After all, it doesn't have wings like an airplane. The answer lies inside a tiny computer called the flight controller. This small computer makes thousands of calculations every single second. When you command the drone to move forward, it increases the speed of the rear propellers and slows down the front propellers. This causes the drone to tilt forward, and once it tilts, it starts moving forward. The same principle works for moving left and right. Everything is controlled by tiny changes in propeller speed. But here's something even more incredible. How does a drone stay stable in strong wind? If it were any ordinary object, it would fall. But a drone doesn't. Because inside the drone, there are sensors called gyroscopes and accelerometers. These sensors constantly detect movement and tilt. The moment wind pushes the drone, the system instantly adjusts the propeller speeds and stabilizes the drone again.
All of this happens in a fraction of a second, faster than any human could react. Now, back to the big question. Why four propellers? Why not three? Why not five? The answer is balance and efficiency. A drone can fly with three propellers, but it becomes harder to control and less stable. Adding more propellers increases weight, which drains the battery faster and reduces efficiency. Four propellers provide the perfect balance. They are efficient, stable, and practical. Now, let's answer the most critical question. What happens if one propeller fails? In most cases, the drone will crash because the balance is lost and it can no longer stabilize itself. Some advanced drones can perform emergency landings, but most cannot. This is why all four propellers are essential. So the next time you see a drone in the sky, remember this. It's not just a flying gadget, it's a powerful combination of physics, engineering, and computer science. Every second, it makes thousands of decisions. It balances itself and flies with precision. That is the power of modern technology. Did you already know this? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed discovering the hidden secrets behind modern technology, make sure to subscribe because there's a lot more coming. Thanks for watching.